In this video, we are going to talk about sustainability of plant-based diets. In compared to diets high in animal products, plant-based diets are more environmentally friendly because they consume a lot less natural resources and have less of an impact on the environment. Hello good people, welcome to our channel. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So stay tuned and sit back, relax, and enjoy. According on the context, definitions of sustainability typically address issues related to ecology, the economy, and society. Consumers' definitions of a sustainable diet may differ from farmers' or food manufacturers' definitions. Sustainable meals are nutrient adequate, safe, and nutritious while maximizing natural and human resource use. They are also protective of biodiversity and ecosystems, accessible, economically equitable, and affordable. The preservation of the biosphere's natural processes, which support life on Earth, is a concern of environmental protection. Environmental indicators such as eutrophication, biodiversity, and global warming potential are used to measure it. Food security and food sustainability are in direct conflict given the present trends in food consumption and environmental change. Large portions of the global population will need to drastically reduce their diet of meat and dairy in order to change course. One feasible solution for a sustainable future appears to be a global return to plant-based diets. The outcomes for the global population's food supply, health, environment, and social justice will all be improved simultaneously by policies encouraging the adoption of plant-based diets on a worldwide scale. Animal products harm the environment, primarily because of the resources required to feed the animals. Crops, water, and land maintenance and transportation have a significant negative impact on the environment due to various gases generated throughout the process in addition to the transportation-related CO2 emissions. Fresh water is become even scarcer, according to the United Nations Global Water Development Report 2021. By 2030, there will be a 40% worldwide water shortfall, which will be made worse by international issues like climate change. The aforementioned report confirms that, in recent decades, food production has significantly increased in many developed and rapidly expanding economies in an effort to achieve food security. As a result, there has been a significant rise in both livestock production and the use of high levels of agrochemicals to maximize crop yields. On the other hand, a significant portion of the gases contributing to global warming are released into the atmosphere by the livestock sector. Although only providing 37% of our protein and 18% of our caloric, the meat, aquaculture, egg, and dairy industries use 83% of the world's acreage and are responsible for 56 to 58% of food-related emissions, according to a study published in Science. High-energy feed, industrial farming fuel, processing and packing, transporting animals, clearing forests for feed crops, and desertification all contribute to the production of carbon dioxide. The usage of land, both to house the animals and to cultivate the foods they eat, is a significant problem that the animal business faces. The 7.9 billion people on the planet could directly consume the food that is grown to feed the more than 70 billion animals that are kept, raised, and killed each year for food. According to a report by Scientific Reports, 30% of the world's land is either utilized for cattle or to cultivate grain to feed them, which causes deforestation and other environmental degradation. This region is about the size of Asia. Ethics. The ethical issue of eating animals is brought up in addition to the environmental impact, which this blog concentrates on. Animal consumption and the use of animal-derived goods are deemed unethical for a number of reasons, but the animal agriculture business also has a significant negative impact on developing nations. Animal feeding crops are primarily grown by underprivileged populations. These crops could be utilized to feed the animals directly. Additionally, in nations where water is already in short supply, this implies that water is consumed to maintain those crops. Thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, please like the video and comment your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button to watch more like this video. Thank you.